Ghibli art convert. How to convert your image into Ghibli art? Yes, people are saying it's Ghibli, but its spelling is looking like Ghibli because it's a Japanese cartoonist that started creating images from these type of images to this, and you can do it for free. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. How you can create your normal image into art and then you can show on your social medias and anywhere you want. Ghibli art convert. Let's begin the video. So first of all you have to go to the chat GPT, and after that you have to click on this plus icon, choose your image from your system, laptop, computer, mobile, wherever you are using chat GPT. And after that what you have to do, you have to give a command, generate a Ghibli or Ghibli art of this image, and you will see this was my image and this is the created image. Woohoo, looking great. So that's the way you can create your own Ghibli or Ghibli art. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Bye bye for now.